In the past two episodes, we have teach you how to change the drag and also the wheel arm bearings. So in this episode, we'll do something more advanced. This whole wheel is jammed. I can't even turn it. So it might be the bearings or it might be the gear inside. So we're going to dismantle this and take a look what's inside. First, we take out the spool. Next, we take out all this washer. Okay, after you take out the washer, there's this screw. Okay, then you can take out this. Next, we'll open these screws to open the body. Okay, we'll take out these anti-reverse. Okay, so now we open up the body. This is the bearing that got corroded. You see? Rust. This is where the handle is. How to test the bearing? You just hold it like this and roll. Super rough. Oh, you see? This is also corroded. This bearing is spoiled. Yeah, this is the one that cannot turn. It's stuck. It's totally stuck. So we are changing these two bearings with these two new ones. So before we put in the new bearing, right, we put some oil inside. Okay, then for this kind of gear, right, we don't put lubricant, we put grease. Now the wheel can spin freely, almost as good as new. And it's done. Okay, that's all for this wheel servicing episode. If you're interested in servicing your own wheel, watch out for it in our YouTube channel.